Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devons, and today I've come back with another interesting puzzle. And in this puzzle you are playing as white and you are supposed to move and mate black in 2 moves. So it is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. But before we get any further, I want to first show you the direction of the pawns. So the black pawns are actually going towards G1 and H1 respectively. So that's the direction of the black pawns. So you need to know the direction because it helps to solve the puzzle. So that's the direction. So before we get into it together, I want you guys to first try to solve it by your own self, like we do usually. That's the culture here. You try to solve it, and then after that we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, did you find the 2 moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So if you thought about playing a knight move, obviously we have to first try out a knight move, because I don't think a king move would actually help us win this, because the king being on f4 helps us control the square and also the square. So it helps us keep the black king in one position and limit how many pieces the black king can go to. So sorry, limit how many squares the black king can go to. So our king being in that position is actually essential. So we are going to leave our king there and try out the knight moves. For example, if we played knight f3, would that be a mate in 2? Now, if black captures the knight, then rook h1 is mate, right? But then black does not have to capture the knight. Black can actually play h3, and if you try to mate, black has an escape route. So literally that's not the solution for the puzzle, because black has an escape route. And if you played knight e2, it really doesn't help us win the game, because there's no mate in the next move. After black plays h3 and you try to check, black has an escape route. So all knight moves don't look like they are going to really help us, because as well, even h3 doesn't help us win the game. After capturing the knight, you still escape. So black escapes. So that's not the solution for the puzzle. So that means it leaves us with the rook. The rook could actually be the solution for the puzzle. Let's try and see. If we played rook b2, the idea is you want to go to the h file and actually threaten a checkmate. But then after you play that, black has only one move, right? Because black can't move the king to anywhere, because h3 is protected by the knight and g3 is protected by the king. So black has only one move, and that's the pawn move. And after the pawn move, there's literally no mate, because if you try to check on h2, the rook is gone. And after that, if you try to check on f3, the king still has an escape route. So there's no mate in the next move. So that's literally not working out for us. And that leaves us with rook b4. And that is the solution for the puzzle. So if you found rook b4, someone is going to be like, how can rook b4 be the solution for the puzzle? Now, rook b4 is the solution for the puzzle if we realize that black has only one valid move. Remember, the king has no move, so black can only move the pawn, and it's the only valid move. And if we realize that, then we can capitalize on that, because after the king moves the pawn, after black moves the pawn, we get to mate in the next move. How? Obviously it's not f3, because after f3 black has an escape route. So it is king to f5, and that's a mate. There's no any place that black can go. h3 is protected by the knight, and the king is protecting the upper squares, and the rook is checkmating. So that was the solution for the puzzle. And if you found it, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if this is your first time being on this channel. Until next video, have a good day.